Hi everyone, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I am back. Happy New Year, by the way. Came back and did some videos, and I'm back with some videos from the collection from Michaels called Recollections. They have come out with some Valentine stickers and a whole line of Valentine's products, which I showed last in my last video. I showed their Valentine vellum collection. So if you're interested in that, go check that out on the other video I just recently posted. It's a vellum paper pad, really, really cute. Definitely worth checking out. And I also showed some of my stickers that I got from the collection. Some really cute glittery hearts. I was going to say foiled, but they're not really foiled. They're glittery. Although, you know, it's very, very nice glitter. And here, oh my goodness, look how those sparkle. I just love these epoxy heart stickers. So those are from the Recollections collection from Michaels. And here are some of these stickers. First of all, I'm going to go through the vinyl die cut stickers. I think they're just so cute. For Valentine's Day, and you can see on the back you get a variety. This one doesn't say that you get more than one. Most of the rest do. You usually get like two, but let's see. I'm going to open them up and I'll spread them out. We'll check it out. I love these type of, like, you know, specialty stickers that you can get. These ones are great that you can, like, put them on anything you want. They're dishwasher safe, I guess, so you can put them on, like, you know, water bottles or anything that you want to that might get wet. Okay, but I just like to share them with my family. My nieces and nephews, I like to give them little stickers with little kits that they, you know, for Valentine's Day. I've been doing that for a couple of years. I did it for Christmas with tags. This year I'm going to mainly just do Valentine, like, cards for the, you know, to give them, and then give them some of these big stickers too for them to just have, which I think is just, you know, so much fun. So you get, you know, cute hearts. They're all shiny. They all have, you know, well, that one's not that shiny, but you see what I'm saying. Most of them have some foil on them. Sweet on you. That's, you know, would be great for a card. So even if you don't like give, even if you're not into Valentine's Day or wanting to do that, it's just fun to, like, have things like this on hand. If you know children or kids that would love little stickers, even my older nieces and nephews like the stickers. They find them fun, you know, to put on their laptops or their water bottles or whatever. And again, of course, remember, you can always use these things in all kinds of different ways, in planning and yeah, memory keeping, scrapbooking, card making, all those fun things. Okay, so that was the Recollections Valentine's Day vinyl die cut stickers. You can find them. They had a, you know, like a central area where they had Valentine's Day stickers at Michael's already, and they were on sale. I got these. They're $3.99. Look at this one. Look at that guy. He's so cute. Little Cupid on there. $3.99 for these stickers. So how can you go wrong? You know, I kept them inside the packaging so that I could just remember, you know, easily take them out and show them. So sorry about the noise, but yeah, like, if you just, you know, enjoy sharing your stash with people and you want to give things that are nice and quick and easy to people, these stickers are fun. I know most children and a lot of adults like stuff like this. So, you know, like a pretty flower could be put on anything. These are bigger than the ones on die cut stickers that I'm used to, but that's, you know, the way it is. Bigger the better, right, nowadays. But I think it's also because they're considered the vinyl ones that are for putting on like water bottles. That's like the in thing nowadays. So here, but you know, any kind of hearts you can use, reuse. There's a little envelope. Here's a little Cupid guy up close with the foiling on him. Really shiny, really pretty. Yeah, so again, you know, something like that. Perfect for a little card. The inside of a card. Yeah, I probably get too much of this stuff, but how can you resist at $3.99? Plus, I'm almost definite I got a 40% discount at Michael's for this. I don't know what that is. Like, I guess to make sure they stay dry. This one is just die cut stickers. These don't say they're vinyl, but they are pretty foiled. This shows on here that there are mostly 2 pieces. Yeah, all of them come doubled. All right, so the other 2, the vinyl die cuts, they were all single, which is fine. Sometimes I like them when it's doubled because you can actually, you know, keep one and give away the other one, right? If you like it a lot. So one of these cupcakes. Now that's really cool. That's like holographic. I like holographic stuff. If you've ever watched any of my videos, I'm pretty into that type of thing. And please do watch more videos if you haven't watched many, because I just love to show like really pretty glittery stuff. I'm into all the paper crafting, but also like I make my own things a lot. This is kind of, you know, just stuff that I found that I like to share. Look at that glitter. I mean, it's not glitter really, right? It's like just shine from the holographic stuff. Awesome. These are stickers too, so you know, you can put them right on a card. Very easy. Happy Valentine's Day. Love. XOXOX. XO, yeah, XO. I like to have fun when I'm trying to do these videos too. Hopefully I come across that way, because I really do love doing it. I didn't get to for a couple weeks because we're, you know, busy in my house after the holidays. My son's home from college. I love talking about you know, he's my only kid, so I love having him home, and we love playing games with, you know, we play Tetris on the video. We have a Nintendo 64 and we love playing Tetris together. And we also love playing, we played a board game with his dad tonight. We're going out with some friends tomorrow night, our closest friend. And so we've been very busy. We're having a lot of fun. Here, let's show that holographic shine again. Really cool. And again, these are very, you know, pretty thick cardstock, and they are stickers. So you just peel off the back very easily, put it right on your project. So again, these are from Michael's, the Recollections collection. That's like a holographic. That might even seem too bright with my, you can see the light in there shining on everything. One more. So I got one more package, and this one are die cut stickers also with foil. And here again, there's 2 of each. So let me dig into that. Like I was saying, we've been really busy with our family, and my son's going on his study abroad in like a week. So there's a lot going on. I'm trying to get some videos done before he leaves, because next week I'm going to be way too busy to be doing the videos. But I will be back because I love doing them. And I hope that people like them. And, you know, please comment. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, because it makes me feel really happy to be, like, sharing things with people that I enjoy. Look at this gold foiled. I like this. Oh, these hearts. Okay, I might not... I don't know. I might not like it as much as the holographic ones we just showed, but very cool still. Very shiny. I don't know if you can really see how shiny these are, but they are shiny, and these are die cut stickers you can very easily take off the back and use on your project. That one I'm going to have to Make sure I stick it back on good. And the little envelopes. So yeah, so, you know, my son's very fortunate that he got into a program in college that they have lots of really cool, oh, look at those cupids. They're sweet. Some really cool overseas programs. So he's getting to go to St. Andrews in Scotland, which just, I don't even know how that happened, but hey, sometimes you gotta let things happen. He just happened to be able to get in, you know, financial aid and get into a program where he really is excelling. So I'm very happy for him. Oh, look at that foil, gold foil. Yeah, so you know, I'm a paper crafter who just loves to share my stash and things that I pick up. I pick up things a lot at a discount. I don't you know, like, we need to like save money. So a lot of my stuff I just, you know, find on, it's like on sale, especially at Michael's. Like, there's always sales going on at Michael's. So if you find things there, wait a, you know, go back in a little bit and they probably will be on sale. So you will save some money. And these stickers, I mean, all these stickers for $3.99. I think I got them for 40% off. That was like $2.79 or something. Like, don't quote me on that. I can't remember exactly how much, but the amounts were very minimal for how many stickers you get. And I love using these to give out to my, you know, family members who, even like these here would be great for cards for older family members, you know, to stick on a card. Everybody appreciates some pretty foily, glitzy stickers. You know, hey, make it as much fun as you can. It's Valentine's Day, right? I'll be back soon with some stickers that are in Happy Sticker books because I am going to do it for National Sticker Day. I want to show off a whole bunch of sticker books that I have, so please check those out too. If you're not into stickers, please stay tuned because I will be back soon with some projects and die cutting things that I've done, you know, throughout, that I'll be working on for Valentine's Day. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.